Hey guys, it's Yasmin. So I just got this package and I thought to unbox it on camera. I got something off eBay, so I am both nervous as well as excited to see how the condition of this bag, well, it is a bag, is. So let me just unbox it. So this is the dust bag. I think some of you may already know what it could be. Well, it is a Neverfull, and oh, it is the Neverfull MM in monogram, and wow, with the Rose Ballerine lining. Wow, oh my god, it's clean. It's clean. Oh wow, it's clean, but there's patina. The vachetta has patina, and but not so bad. And there's I think she got this bag caught in the rain. But oh my god, okay, I'm gonna smell the bag. It smells fine. There's no funky smell whatsoever. The strap is fine too, except that I think because this was kept folded on this side, but there's no, wow, the strap itself, okay, she kept it in a weird angle, I suppose, so you can see that's the original shade, and because it's been kept like that, so it's a bit weird. But yeah, I can just iron this out. Oh, the sides, look at the sides. The sides match up here, and oh, it's not so nice here. Louis, why like that? It's not so perfect here, but yeah, that's okay, I guess. And this side, it looks clean. Yeah, I think she got caught in the rain with this bag, so you can see all the watermarks over here and the flap here. And oh, so this one, the strap still looks pretty good. Let's look at the bottom. The bottom seems clean, and oh my god, you know, it's so difficult to find a very clean bag, as in the clean Rose Ballerine lining. It's so difficult to get and find something this clean. And let's check out the tab, the brass. The brass is still fantastic. Look at this. And oh, the zipper sounds crispy and it's smooth. Okay, so there's something inside here. So you have the tag here which says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. And what's this? Yeah, Neverfull NM. Well, this has been discontinued. That's why I had to look for it in the pre-loved market, and I am so glad to have found this space. Yeah, and it is in such beautiful condition. I just need to wipe this down. The patina is not so bad. I'll do a comparison with my Neverfull Damier Azur as to the patina, but seems like this one, okay, let's check out the date code. here's the date code. Okay, so the date code's over here. It says GI1116. So this was manufactured on the 11th week of 2016. So this bag is about 2 years old, and for something which is 2 years old, I think it's in a perfect condition. Oh, and this does not come with a pouch. It does not come with the pochette, and this one was made in Spain. I had to pay slightly more for this bag because it's discontinued, but it's okay because I wanted the monogram with the Rose Ballerine lining. So I'm really happy with this bag. Okay, so I'm just gonna get her cleaned up and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.